Hello, hello. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can use IXL. IXL is going to be where we can find our homework. IXL can be accessed through Clever. It's going to be one of our new tabs that you can go ahead and use the search option for to find. And you do want to make sure you go ahead and heart it, as we're going to be using it a lot throughout the rest of the school year. When you go into IXL, you should be greeted with a screen similar to this, but you want to pay attention specifically to this tab right here where it says from your teacher. What you will see down below are the lessons that your teacher assigned. What I'm going to be doing is I'll be assigning homework for the entire unit. Each week, I will then go ahead and tell you how many lessons you need to get done, as well as a suggestion on which lessons I recommend you do based on where we should be by the end of the week. You need to make sure you are getting those lessons done so that by the time we get to our unit test, you won't have a whole lot of lessons to complete. You are able to do more lessons than what I recommend. For example, if I say for this week you only need to get 3 lessons done, you are more than welcome to do 4 or 5 lessons. You do want to make sure though that you are doing those 3 lessons for each week, or however many lessons I do recommend. But let's go ahead and see what happens when we go into a lesson. For this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and look at writer ratio. So if we click on this here, we're going to see we get a question. So our first question here, what is the ratio of rectangles to stars? Well, I have one rectangle and one star, so the ratio is 1 to 1. So over here, I can just type in a 1 and click submit. Awesome. What you'll notice on the side here is that my SMART score went up. The goal for every lesson is to get your SMART score to go up to 100. All right. So let's see what happens then if we were to go through a question and maybe accidentally get it wrong. So what is the ratio of triangles to stars? All right, well, if I see I have 2 triangles and 5 stars, but maybe I was accidentally rushing and mistyped it and accidentally hit 1. If I click submit, ooh, sorry, incorrect. It tells me what the correct answer is. It also provides an explanation, so we can see what the ratio of triangles to stars is, and we're also going to be able to see how to solve the question as well. You will notice though that my SMART score has gone down. This will occur if we keep getting questions wrong. If we get questions right though, our SMART score goes back up. Remember, the goal is to get it so that the SMART score is 100. After reading through the explanation though, if we understand everything, we can go ahead and click got it and move on to the next question. So let's say then we get over to our next question and maybe we're still a little bit confused, but we don't want to get it wrong and go to the explanation. In the upper right hand corner, you're going to see a video.
Hello learners, if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering, how do I write a ratio? A ratio is a comparison.
There are videos available for every single question, every single lesson assigned. You can use these videos to help you if you ever get stuck with answering the questions. Make sure again that you are completing the lessons as they're assigned, as you don't want to wait for them to pile up because they will all be due the week of your unit test. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Otherwise, good luck with your homework.